Well, good morning, good evening, everyone.
Welcome to Chester's Playhouse.
Oh, Chester's finally playing with me.
Ready to play, Chester? Well, let's introduce your crazy toy friends to some of our new subscribers.
Well, Mousy had a little lamb. I'm Mousy had a little lamb. No, I'm Mousy had a little lamb. Come on, I was in the last short. I'm the star. That's me. And then this is my bestie. Oh, I'm Rainbow Wormy. I like to play all day, Chester. Where's my buddy? Oh, there he is. Come on, Chester. Wake up. Oh.
Okay, we'll have more Rainbow Wormy later, but okay, just balls and bells, typical cat toys. And
Brock, Cheese Mouse a bird. Brock, I got some cheese mouse. That's Filipino for gossip. Cheese Mouse is the gossiper, and I am gossiping about Chester's belly. Brock, I got some cheese mouse about tabby cats later.
Chester, go get him. He's annoying. Okay. And then,
Oh, speaking of belly, yo, I'm Swim Shady, and YouTube ain't gonna bust no copyright violations on me because I'm not out of Detroit. I'm straight out of Dundalk, Maryland, Merritt Boulevard, Ollie's, mother fleeker. So I like to do one thing. I like to go and hunt and search for.
Yeah, we know, belly. Hey, I'm Flatnose Frankie, and I'll be sticking out people on the corner for tabby belly. Among other things, but Chester's name I might get demonetized if I tell you.
Hey, yo, check it. The Asian woman with the old adventures cannot participate in these moving pictures. She's out hustling to earn Chester's 9 lives kibble cube, so I'm here to say welcome back to our channel on YouTube. As I drop down, oh, you want that OMG gravy, Chester? You gonna eat it so I can get a bigger belly.
oh, come on, Shady. He's trying to eat.
Okay. Too bad. Maybe I'll eat out these sweeties. Belly.
You have to buy a ticket to the Philippines, and she'd probably tear you apart, Shady. Right, sweetie?
Well, Chester's in the litter box, and it's a bit smelly, but I like to eat tabby belly. Oh, and hopefully that some of these other freaks in the box don't show up. But Mousy had a little lamb, and I'm ready to play. Oh, Chester, you forgot about me. You always leave me behind when you play with your other toys. What, am I boring or something?
Yeah, you sure are boring. You're just attached to a spring. Chester likes some portable springs that roll around, except he lost them all.
Yeah, Chester, where's your Springer-Ginger? We found one under the couch this morning, and now it's missing. You played with it for 5 minutes.
Oh, but you never play with me for more than 30 seconds.
Yeah, because it's a ball in a circle rolls round and round. You were too smart for that, Chester, when you were a 4-month-old kitten when you came to this house. But you like me because you get to protect your belly.
Okay, Chester, get Frankie, mess him up. Chester. Psst, psst, psst.
Hey!
Okay, we're still warming up, Frankie. Oh, Chester, are you mad at Frankie for eating your belly? Don't let him do it again. You know, we're missing one of your favorite toys for this 6,000 subscriber special. Where's Feather Mousy? Feather Mousy, I thought was your friend to the end.
Yeah, but he abandoned you. Ah, Chester.
I don't think Frankie's right. I think he's bluffing us, Chester. Yeah, I am. Here's Feather Mousy, and I'm his friend to the end. I'm Feather Mousy. Come get me, Chester.
Where is he? Oh, you can chase better than that, Chester. Let's try again. So now you want to play with your toys? You snuck up on them through that tube, didn't you? Chester?
Oh, so now you want to play with all my friends and me. Come get me, Chester. We're friends to the end. Oh, good catch.
Hey, there's nothing under there, you goofball.
Oh, but it looks like the tide is turning, Chester. Come get me. Oh, where am I? Oh, Chester. I'm by your tail. But there might be some other toys over here.
Let's see.
I am the Buddy Bear. Yes, I am the Buddy Bear.
Where's the Buddy Bear, Chester?
I'm Zombie Mousy. I've been pulled apart, but I'm back and risen.
Where's Zombie Mouse? Oh! Oh, you got them all, Chester. Good boy. You didn't get Mousy Had a Little Lamb.
Mousy had a... Oh, yeah, I didn't get Tata's hand at least.
Who's my cat? My Chester, Chessity, Chester, Mergessity, Chester, Mergessity. Yes, Chester. We're not going to play with those silly toys today. You're growing up and becoming a mature, young East Baltimore brown tabby, right, Chester? So, Chester, how about we just celebrate 6,000 subscribers by talking about what that M on your forehead means? Chester? Psst, 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 psst. What does that M on your forehead mean? Mean? Like Flat Mouse Frankie is mean? Chester, could it mean... Could it mean Maganda? Could it mean Mergester? Who's the Mergester? Chester Mergester. Could that M mean... Could that M mean... Mataba? Could it mean Mataba? You know all your silly toys are always hunting for that belly. But you're more than just your belly. You got a big, brown tabby brain in there. You certainly are the smartest poos call on the block. Chester. Hey, Chester. You appreciate all 6,000 of our subscribers from back when we started traveling and making the YouTube way back before you were born, maybe 14 years in cat years. Maybe 10 years in cat years, and then you were... And then Nana and I started traveling last because it was a really cold winter. But we had our Chester Mergester to start making Chester's Playhouse shorts. Yeah, and all your crazy toys. Anyone you want to shout out, Chester? I bet you just want to shout out Feather Mousy. Chester, are you tired of playing with your childhood toys? Would you rather have... You know what we found? In East Baltimore? Two kilometers from where you were born? The tabby godhead! The tabby godhead of Morris! The tabby godhead of Morris!
Hey yo, check it. Because Chester got his 9 lives, I got my 9 wives. Psych! I only got the infinite fishies spawning up the river as I deliver my flow who'd be so amazing to Morris's belly.
Shady, you forgot to rhyme belly. Okay, Chester's like, peace out. Thanks for liking, watching, subscribing. And Morris, he's the tabby godheads. Chester, what would Morris say now? He'd probably say, we appreciate all 6,000 subscribers to the Johnson Travel Journey blog. Chester.
Come on, grand finale.
He's like, yo, I'm Trill OG. I'm not going to chase that fish anymore.